Hello, today's tip is about how to add document map to SSRS report. Here I'm using a visual database as a sample data. I have already created a store procedure for internet sales, which returns the internet sales for different products, the subcategory, and their category. I have also created a SSRS report already using the store procedure as the data source, which returns the internet sales for different products, their subcategory, and the categories. The next steps, I'm going to add a document map to subcategory and category. So to do it, I'm going to right-click the product category property, go to the advanced, choose the product category name as the document map. Okay. Similarly, click the subcategory property, go to the advanced, choose the subcategory name as the document map. Okay. Now click the preview. And all of a sudden you can see on the left hand side of the panel, there's a tree view kind of structure appear, which has got the category and subcategory. Clicking each area will navigate us to different sessions, which is very nice and handy. Hope you find this tip useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.